Hey guys, Roger here from Saskatchewan, Canada. Just installing some baseboard onto a closed 1918 closed-in porch. Doing some baseboard, putting some PL premium and then some Integra substrate adhesive. Basically, it's a two-part quick silicone, dries in 15-20 minutes, half an hour, depends what the weather is. But anyways, put it on there, it's all in place, and right now I'm using my third hands just to put pressure all over, and yeah, let it sit, carry on. The peel can dry overnight and let it cure really strong. And yeah, now I just got to come and do this side. But the third hands are rescuing the day again. So FastCap third hands, thumbs up. Love them.